Hello, and welcome to the first episode of All My Jobs. I'm Daryl, and I'm from the UK. In this series, I'll be discussing all the jobs I've had, from cleaning dishes to working alongside Novak Djokovic, and all the jobs in between. So, welcome again to this first episode of this series. And today we'll be discussing my first ever job, being a paperboy and doing a paper round. Do you know what a paper round is? Do you think you really throw the papers towards the houses? Let's find out. A paper round is where you would collect a bag full of papers and deliver them to people's doors. I would ride my bike and deliver the papers in the morning. I was around 12 or 13 years old when I started my first paper round. I would wake up at around 6, 7 a.m., ride my bike to the shop to collect the papers, and then ride and deliver them. Now, in the US or the USA, they show in many films and many TV shows kids on bikes throwing the papers at doors and into gardens. Now, in the UK, we do not do that. No. The papers would get wet from the rain. Now, of course, it doesn't rain all the time, but in the UK, you can never be too sure when the rain is coming. So in the UK, we would post the papers through the letterbox, like this one. Now, some letterboxes you liked, and some letterboxes we hated. Normally, old doors, very hard letterboxes to push through, and sometimes they snapped your fingers off. I would work every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday sometimes for extra money. And at the end of the week, I would receive £10. No, not much money at all. But for a 12-year-old, it was okay. It was okay. But I would spend at least £1 every week on sweets and chocolate. And that was my first ever job, being a paperboy. In the next episode, we're going to look at a job where I didn't get paid. How is that possible? Find out in the next episode. In a bit. Bye.